Okay guys, well a few of you have been asking for another update on the black camel spider, so I thought I'd do one for you. You can see him just here. He has slowed down a bit, but he's still pretty active during feeding times, so let's see if he wants a cricket. Got a nice big juicy one for him. Hopefully he's going to take it down for us. Looks like he's backing away from it, but usually takes it down in the end. I think he wants it. Let's try again. Whoa! Look at that! Completely tearing it to pieces. And within a few seconds he has completely destroyed it. Always amazes me just how quickly that happens. You can just see the abdomen there contracting. Very strange creatures. And there's massive glycerate just munching into the cricket. But yeah, I could just watch these all day guys, to be honest with you. Just the abdomen just looks insane. Just the way it moves, you don't see anything like that in a spider. There, looks like he's on the move. Not quite sure where he's going. But yeah, there's a chance that the light might be upsetting him. He just likes to eat in peace, so I think we'll leave him to enjoy his meal. Okay then guys, thanks for watching, and I shall see you again soon.